If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I have a pattern review for you over McCalls pattern that's only 2 pattern pieces. So stay tuned. Today's pattern review is over McCalls It's So Simple L9558, the lounge pants. It's a unisex pattern and it comes in sizes small all the way up to extra, extra, extra large. Now, one thing I will say about these pants is that they are very forgiving. You can use cotton blends, seersucker, or flannel to complete these pants. And I say they're very forgiving because the finished garment measurement for the smallest size in the pants, the hip measurement is a 48. Now, I made these pants for my husband. I haven't made any for myself yet, but I made these pants for my husband, and his waist is, I believe, a 34. So that's 14 inches of ease. 14 inches. And the waistband is elastic. You don't need a waistband piece. What did you just say?
I said you never said that. I got you. All right. Okay. My bad. All right.
But I did not use cotton for these pants. I used a knit. I think it's a jersey, and it's black camo. But I'm going to let my husband come on and tell you guys what he likes about these pants. But before I do that, I'm going to finish telling you about the pattern itself. Again, it's only 2 pattern pieces, your front and your back. There is no waistband piece. During the sewing, during the construction of your pants, it tells you to fold over. So that's how you get your waist.
I tried to put Paul. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's how you construct your waistband. And then you simply feed your elastic through, and then you hem your pants. Now, you only need coordinating thread, and this takes less than 4 yards of fabric. And it's so simple pattern, and it's so simple. Again, for your finished garment measurements, for the smallest size is 48 inches, which is a small. Medium is 52 inches, large 56 inches, and so on. But I think if you pick this pattern up, this would fit anyone. And again, it's a unisex pattern for both men and women. Well, in the sewing 5 and below, it only has 2 pattern pieces. Will I make these lounge pants again? Of course I will. It's only 2 pattern pieces, and I need lounge pants for myself. Not only that, but it's very simple. It took me less than an hour from cut to construction to complete these lounge pants. Is there anything that I did not like about this pattern? No. Very simple. Now I'm going to bring my husband on camera so he can tell you what he liked about his lounge pants. Okay, babe, so I'm going to let you tell the wonderful people what you thought about your lounge pants. Take it away.
Hello, everybody. My name is Derek. I'm the lovely Tequila B's husband. She made these lounge pants for me. I really like them. I like the fit. I like the fabric. My only issue, I guess, she was making for somewhat of a bigger size but they're nice. They're perfect what they're needed for. Lounging around the house. She did it in the camo because I love camo. Just a tad bit kind of long, but other than that, you know, perfect. I like them. Very happy. Thank you.
Let's see the back.
Oh, okay.
Lovely model. All right.
Yeah, we'll plan on showing all that.
So these pants are pretty roomy. Would you like another pair of these?
Yeah, I would love another pair. Just a little snugger around the legs.
So as you can see, I will have to make alterations to this pattern when I make these for him again, because he wants them to fit a little bit more closely. Not so big. So, no, I didn't think I was making them for someone bigger. But according to the pattern, again, it has 14 inches of ease. His waist is a 34, and a finished garment is 48 inches. So, it's not my fault.
10, 14 inches off.
It's not going to be 14 inches for everybody, because everybody's not a 34. Okay.
Well,
so what he's saying is, if you want your lounge pants to fit a little bit more snug, just trim off the extra inches that you don't need, all right? But again, they are lounge pants, so they are supposed to be comfy, flowy, not too restricting, just nice and free.
Nice and free.
Okay, so that concludes our review of the McCalls L9558. If you're a beginner, this is a great pattern for you to test your skills with pants, pajamas, lounge pants. This is your go-to. Pretty easy. It fits in the sewing 5 and below. And again, from cut to construction, it only took about an hour. I guess he's just going to shake himself out these pants since they're so big, huh?
I love them.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this pattern review, hit that like button. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload another video.
Y'all see it though.
Until next time, we'll see you then.
Peace. Alright, this is a review for the lounging pants my wife made for me, Tequila B. Alright. I really like them. They remind me of the old, back in the day, hammer. I am hammer. Whoa. Yeah, because they so, as you can see, they're my favorite pattern, camouflage. I love camouflage, being a vet and everything, you know. And they got that little long in the middle, like back in the day, the hammer pants. Hammer. I am hammer. Oh, anyway, y'all know how to get you a pair, make you a pair, do what you got to do. Make them. All right.